Okay, in this bottom part of example number 2, we're going to find the cross section created by the plane y equals 1. That is horizontal plane going right through y equals 1. And so if you can look at this diagram that I have for you, when we are taking a plane and we're putting it parallel to the base, you can see no matter where it is on this cone, it is going to be a circle. It's going to have the same shape as the base. Because it's a cone, it's not always going to be the same size as the base. It would be if we cut it right down here. Then it would have the same area of the base. If we move it up a little bit, it's going to have a little bit different area. So if we look at our problem, it's going to be a circle because it's parallel to the base. So we're going to have a circle, which is great. Here's the irritating part. If I was cutting it right here at y equals -1, I would know the radius is 4. Because I'm cutting it up here at this point right here, and you know my diagram is not good, but you can look and say, well, I don't know, it looks like it's 1-ish something, but you don't know for sure. So what you're going to have to do is do a little bit of similar triangles. So I'm going to look up here and I have this little baby right triangle. And I'm trying to find the radius, so I'm going to call that R. And I know from this line to the top, it is 1. And then I have this right triangle, this one right here. And when I count 1, 2, 3, the height is 3. And this one has a radius of 4. Because the triangles are similar, then we can write a proportion. We can say like vertical is to vertical as horizontal is to horizontal. And then you get 4 is equal to 3r. So the radius is 4/3. Once I know what the radius is, then I can find the area by doing pi r squared. And I get 16/9 pi, and that is approximately, I think, 5.6. Okay, now your homework does ask you for finding volumes and surface areas that we covered already last week, so you're going to have to get out your notes and be tough. So understand that those questions are asked, okay, in addition to cross sections. So look at those links that we put up there, play around with it a little bit. Remember, you're thinking in your head, is it parallel to my base? If it is, it has the same shape. If it's perpendicular, it has the shape of this 2-dimensional before we made it a cone. All right? Good thing you guys are tough.